We got to run on.
Paragraph, paralyzer, rhythmic aristocrat. Mr. Rap is the gift of gap. About to twist your cap. Swift the best of fast fury, worry, hit the switch your ass. Into bits and fragments, submit your quit this, get your ass. Sit your ass down while I rip the tracks and spit the facts. Hit the grass, green, brown, or purple, I'm the diplomat. Rip your raps, really, you don't get the math. Just a half-breed, only rhymer, I was meant to rap. Into that, fire breathing, rhyme heathen, kidnap your mental black. Hijack your fly, dapper, con, head your intellect. Mind state, arrow blast, centered crack, mind gas, blind, find they eyes back, send your back crying. Act up, pencil pad, my utensil grab, kind attention. Get hit so bad, with jujitsu stabs, I offend you. And if you rap, I'ma send you back, labbing in a tavern, and you mad, kid, it's just too bad, tell them it's
President.
And it's official, you can hear the cheer coming up.
President.
I want to thank you all for attending my inaugural ball.
President.
As a special treat this evening, I have asked America's foremost young poet to read his latest poem for us.
hit you with the funk, it's like who cut the provolone. Government officials put taps on my mobile phone. Stations overthrown, hold my own, on my zone. Prone to leave your dome blown. Poem after poem, Holmes Jones full of tones. Home with me, turn your motor on. Overall, fist war, just got it going on. Overgrown child, never growing old. Sewing nose, broken nose to the Nova host. Whole overdose on my flows, those flows goes deep. Hold your nose, bros, nose foes. Yo, don't sleep, slow your roll. Show my soul, total hold. Domination, don't you know? I'm the comment like Muhammad with the verbal rope-a-dope. It's the
President.
We've been sweeping the nation with a hard-hitting campaign.
President.
As a politician, he regards himself as a national harmonizer.
President.
So, Mr. President, we urge you to do something about the deplorable state of our nation.
I pledge allegiance to the pen and the pad and the mic and plates in America. And to the republic, kiss my ass. You thugs faking, acting hard to get this killing you and giving to me, I bust it for all. Leah City burning like Gamera, stamina. Blaze up your space, plus I got it on camera. Anima, animal, animator landing up. Low cleaning clocks, nothing left for the janitor. Punching through your granite, goodwill ambassador. From another planet, I could kill and smash you up. And it won't stop, and it can't stop, and it can erupt, and it does. Had enough amateur, ramming up, build the ghost horn slamming ya. Ham it up, every single time that I stand it up. Crowd of MCs backing up when I'm acting up. On a frenzy after ya yelling that's enough. And it tempts me that it does, and I'm glad it does. Then I flip C, spatula, style stacking up. Many victories, rappers are never catching up. Passing up, ride passenger, is it black enough? Spectacular, now you know who's attacking ya. Cracking up, mash your chalk, mind capture, I'm the
President.
So much I gotta do. Seems like this trip is long gone before you're back. Should've caught the bus. Nah, it's cool. I need to walk anyway. I need to exercise. Look like the sun is setting.